So I'm running like 5 minutes late to psychology again. What's new? So I have no makeup on and I haven't straightened my hair. It looks like I woke up with only 5 minutes to get ready because that's what happened. I'll give you an outfit of the day when I get the chance because I'm feeling kind of cute. Yeah, I just asked if you go in the library. Oh my god. Go down. Oh. I'm waiting for Emily because I'm a good friend. I don't know what that drilling noise is. Hiya. I am home and I'm very excited because my little desk extension thing, I'm getting like a shelf put on next to my desk in the gap over there so that it'll turn into like a corner desk. Hopefully, that's my vision. We will see. So my grandparents went and got that for me in IKEA and they're going to fit it very soon. They should be here any minute. So today I went and got some more of this marble roll, which is what I have on that desk, so obviously I want to put it on the shelf so it's like all the same. And I also picked these up. Look how nice they are. I got really stressed out because I want some like wire baskets to like put under the shelf to put like just for like storage and stuff to keep the area tidy, but I couldn't find any literally anywhere, so that really annoyed me. But it's oh my gosh, and I lost my phone. Okay, I left my phone in Argos, so I mean it was fine because I went back and somebody had handed it in. I was like yes, but yeah, that's my day so far. Hello? Hello? Say hello. Oh my god, that is so scary. Oh. Hello. Why does his eyes do that? Are you weeing on me? Please don't wee on me. I don't think it is.
Does it matter what I unplug? Yeah.
So it has been put on. I am so excited. Let me turn this off for a second. I know that's made the lighting really gross. These are my favourite ramen noodles in the whole wide world, and they used to sell them in Asda and they stopped selling them for literally no reason, and now Sainsbury's sell them. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I'm so tired. I literally just fell like straight to sleep when I finished my dinner. I was sat cross-legged and I just kind of went forward and just curdled into like a ball of tiredness. This lighting is literally the most disgusting thing. But I'm going to drink my cold coffee now. And maybe if I drank it before, then I would have stayed awake and it wouldn't have gone cold. But like, I don't care. I need to drink this so that I can tidy my room. Because it looks like you can't really tell, but it looks like an actual bomb site. Who did this? And why? And how did I allow this to happen? Oh my god, I've missed this. I've missed this so much. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Friday night and everyone's moving. Oh my gosh, this is so iconic. This is iconic to my life and my teen years. And oh my god. Da, da. This is how I discovered Radiohead, guys.
Hey.
Oh my god, here comes the love of my life. Here he is.
Oh, wow, you're filling out there.
Wow, your face is touching up your mouth.
Doesn't mean he's my father.
Actually, Kano, that's exactly what it means. I hope you're not thinking of...
Just somehow, I got up early and yet I'm still running late. I don't know how that happened, to be honest. I need to sort my face out because I look hideous. I have like 9 minutes till I need to leave the house. Oops. So guys, this is my outfit of the day. I have my denim jacket. I really need to clean up my mirror, I am aware. But yeah, my furry denim jacket. This, I thought my laptop was gonna fall off then. This like sweater thing which is like tucked up, and then these leggings which are so comfy, and then just like my white shoes. So yeah. And this is my makeup of the day. I put a new colour under there. You can't really tell in this light, it looks just like the blue one, but it's more of like a turquoisey greeny blue. So cool. So guys, the leg has now been fitted, so woo, now it's all complete. Yay! I need to like move these like perfectly into place again, but I have so much study space now, like so much study space that I just didn't have before. Like, oh my gosh. Really? Not that I'm complaining or anything, but I think my mum might have made me a bit too much curry, so but it does look nice. It looks less green in person. It looks nice in person. Not gonna lie, I really wanted noodles again, but my mum was like, no, you can't eat ramen noodles for dinner 3 days in a row. Apparently, here's my problem. I don't know when to stop. Because usually my meals are like, you know, decent size, like me size, I just get to the end and then I'm like, mission accomplished. But this, I mean, there is no end. And if there is an end to this, then it's not going to be a pretty end. So I'm like, when do I stop? Like, what's the cutoff point? Because, yeah, I feel full, but I felt full after like 2 mouthfuls. I usually just get to the end. I don't know when the end is. Guys, what do I do? Okay, I've decided I'm full and I can eat the rest another time. So, yeah. It's a hard decision. I never want to be in that position again. Oh dear. Oh well, I think it looks so cool. Like, look at that. Look at how cool. I'm gonna leave it like this until I replace the candle that's in here, because I just think it looks so cool. Oh my gosh. So I've just woken up and I thought I'd show you my natural hair because I literally look crazy. I have like a full-on 80s perm going on. It's literally insane. But yeah, this is my natural hair. In case anybody ever wanted to know, I am now going to drastically straighten it. So I'm basically going to have an editing day until I go to dancing later. And I've got some ramen noodles. This is like the 3rd pot this week. Oh dear. Oh well, I love ramen noodles so much. Do you want to know what stresses me out? When you come and sit down and you have some food and you just want to watch a YouTube video and you have no YouTube videos to watch. Like, no one's uploaded anything. It's like, come on. And then you feel like, oh my god, so and so hasn't uploaded in like forever, and you check their channel and they uploaded like 3 days ago, and it's like, huh? You know, I just think I watch too much YouTube because I never have any videos to watch. And when my favourite YouTubers upload a video, I'm like, I have to watch it, you know? I can't save it for moments like this, and then I get here. So I just sit here sad, and then my food goes cold. Like, literally, I have nothing to watch. Little cheese twists are literally my life. Like, they are so good. I'm also boxing Nikki and Gabby's new video, which I'm very excited about. I also have some red Powerade because that too is so good. I also have a little iced lemon filled donut because, you guessed it, they are so good. Okay, so I have Chinese, I have chili salt chips and spring rolls and sweet sour sauce, and I know with this lighting it doesn't look appetizing, but trust me, it is so nice. I'm also watching Gabby's new video, which I love. I literally love her vlogs, like I live for them. So yeah, woo, dancing was good. Woo! I'm so excited, you guys, because I just found out I'm having my first driving lesson next Friday, which is so exciting. Oh my god, obviously I will be like vlogging about it. I won't be like vlogging when I'm in the car, obviously, but I will be vlogging like before and after and telling you about my experience, and I'll just be like, obviously because I'm vlogging a lot now, I'll be keeping you updated with my journey. So guys, I was just listening to Emma Blackery's The Promise song, and I just started crying so much because it just like, it took me back to like when it came out and I was like 13 and very depressed. Like it was just like 13, 14 was just like a really dark place for me, especially 13. Like I won't go into it, but yeah, it just really took me back and I was just crying so much. I cried my eyelash extensions off. Look at that cluster. Look at my eye. I can't get the rest off, so I'm gonna have to just cry a bit more, I guess. Wow, I feel so self-conscious right now. This is horrible. Oh my god, I hate the way I look. Okay, so I just, obviously I took off my lash extensions and I literally hate myself. I literally hate the way I look. This is really horrible. I feel very self-conscious. It's just because I'm not used to it. I mean, I never really felt like this. Like, I didn't get lash extensions because I felt self-conscious. I got them because I just wanted them and I wanted to feel even more confident, you know? But right now I just feel like, oh my god, this is disgusting. It was so painful getting them off. So painful. Hi guys, and welcome to my generic outro that I am going to put on the end of all my vlogs that I forget to sign off. I really hope that you enjoyed. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, and if there's anything you'd like to see me do in a vlog, like something that isn't really like a main video worthy but you'd like me to do it, then let me know. Or if you have any main video ideas, then please hit me up with that. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. I've been trying to be so much more active this year, and so far so good, I think. Of course, follow me on all of my social medias. They are always down below. I'm always active on there, especially on Snapchat and Instagram. And if I gain like a more active following on Twitter, then I'll definitely be using that a little bit more. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully see you in the next video, and bye.